Hello students, today we'll see how to perform the radix sort. Now radix sort is a very easy sort on paper of course. So we'll see what are the few steps which we need to perform while performing radix sort. So step 1 is you have to find out the largest number from the given array. So you would get an array of few numbers which is an unsorted one. So you have to find out the largest number from that array using any algorithm. Then step 2 is you have to count the digits in that largest number. So if the largest number may contain 3 digits or 4 digits, accordingly you have to count the digits in the largest number. Then suppose the largest number is containing 3 digits, then maybe from that array few numbers are with 1 digit, few numbers are with 2 digits. Then what you have to do, you have to add some leading zeros in every number. You have to add some leading zeros in every number so that every number is of same number of digit. Then we'll come towards the step 4. Step 4 is at actual performing step. So what you have to do then, you have to put these numbers in the buckets. You know that in our number system 10 digits are there, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 10 digits we have in our number system. So we'll have 10 buckets for performing the radix sort. We will have 10 buckets and you have to put the numbers one by one in the bucket with the place value, considering the place value of the digit starting from right side of that number. So we'll check out which is the units place digit, then we'll check for the tens place digit, and then we will check for the hundreds place digit, and so on. And then we will put each and every number in the bucket. So this is what our step 4. Now we have counted the number of digits of the largest number. Why? Because you can state one thing in the radix sort, that how many numbers are there in how many digits are there in the largest number are equivalent to the passes which you need to perform the radix sort. So if 3 digits are there in the largest number, 3 passes you are going to perform. So we'll see one example, one simple example. We'll see how the sorting could be done by using the radix sort. So suppose consider this is your list. So list is containing some numbers, suppose starting with 13, then maybe 25, then maybe 10, then we'll consider 78, then maybe 100, then maybe 92, then maybe 52, then maybe 75, and so on. So you know that now in this list you have 8 numbers. Now we'll see which is the largest one. So from the above list you can find out by using any algorithm, you can find out 100 is your largest number. How many digits are there? So the number of digits in 100 are 3. It means what? 3 passes you will require to solve the sorting by using radix sort. Now according to our step 3 says that you have to add some leading zeros. Then the list will become, after adding the leading zeros, you know that 3 digits are there in the largest number. So you will add 1 because every other number is of 2 digits. So 1 leading zero you will add. So 013, 025, 010, 078, 100, 092, 052 and 075. So this is your list then. Okay, to perform pass 1, this is your list and you want to perform the pass 1. Now according to the number of digits available in our number system, we have these 10 buckets with us, starting with 0 to 9. These buckets are here. Now what we said, we have to start from the right side of every number. So right side is your unit place and you need to check the unit place of the number. So now coming towards the first number, this is 0, 13. So unit place is 3. So this number will go in the bucket of 3. So 13 we will place here. Then 25. So last digit is 5. Then this number will go inside the bucket 25. 0, 1, 0. So 0 is unit place. So this number will go in zeros bucket. 78, 8 is unit place, this will go in 8's bucket. Then 100 containing 0 at end, so 100, 100 will go in zeros bucket. 92, it will go in obviously in 2's bucket. Then 52 again will go in 2's bucket. 75 will go in 5's bucket. So this is what we kept all the numbers in the respective buckets. Now we have to take out the numbers from these buckets. How will you take out the numbers? Now we will go bucket wise. Starting with zeros bucket, we will take the numbers. If one bucket is containing more than one number, then we will be taking out from the bottom. So this 10 will be taken out first, 10. Then 100 will be taken out, then 92, then 52, then 013, 025, 075, then 078. So all we have taken out. After that, now we have to go for the pass 2. Okay, to perform with the pass 2 of radix sort, what we will need to do then? Now in pass 1 we have considered the units place. Now we'll go to the second digit from the right side, that is tens place, and according to the tens place we will keep those numbers in the respective bucket. Now here you consider 0, 1, 0, that is 10 is there. So 1 is your tens place. So this number will go inside 1's bucket. So 0, 1, 0. Now here 100 is containing the tens place as 0. So this will go inside this number. After that 092, this will go in the 9's bucket. So 092. Then 052 will go in this bucket. Then 013 will go in 1's bucket, 013. 025 will go in 2's bucket, 025. 075, so it will go in 7's bucket, 075. 078, and this will go in 078, 7's bucket. Now we have to take out the numbers again from buckets respectively and from the bottom, as we have discussed in pass 1. So we have to take out the numbers from the buckets from 0 to 9 and from the bottom. So our new list will be like 100 will be taken out first, then 010, 013, then 025, then coming to the 5's bucket 052, then 075, 078, and then 092. So these are what your numbers which you have taken out from these buckets. So this will be your list for pass 3. Now again for the pass 3 we have to draw the buckets, and then again we will keep the numbers. This is your list, and for pass 3 again you will be considering the third digit from right side. Here in this number the 100, so this number will go inside 1's bucket. 100's place is 1, so it will go inside 1's bucket. 010, 100's place is 0, so 010, 013, 025, 052. So coincidentally all the remaining numbers are having the 100's place as 0, so 052, 075, 078, 092. So all these numbers are going inside the zeros bucket only, and you have to take out the numbers from buckets respectively and from the bottom. So we'll take out from zeros bucket, so it will become 010, 013, 025, 052, 075, 078, 092 and 100. So at the end of pass 3, what you got? You got a sorted array. So all numbers are in a sorted manner. So this is what the way how the radix sort will work. I hope you have understood, and you will perform the different examples by taking a number of list. How to perform it programmatically? You can try it. Some different routines are there by using which you can find out the largest number. Recursion can be used to solve this kind of problem. So if you want it programmatically, I can explain you. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.